Before we get started, check out a description to find out how you can win a Nano Ledger S. Dan Gambardello is a crypto analyst who does not hide his intentions about Cardano. Most of his tweets and videos about Cardano are directed towards the fact that it's set to explode soon. Regarding Cardano as the most sound, secure, and scalable blockchain, Gambardello has managed to attract the interest of investors to it. With Gambardello's positive opinions about Cardano, let's find out how much 100 Cardano ADA will be worth in 2025. According to the founder of crypto capital venture Dan Gambardello, Cardano ADA is just 62x away from hitting a $1 trillion in market cap. Cardano has continuously managed to cling on to a position in the top 10 list of development activities on GitHub. In contrast to other renowned networks like Ethereum, Cardano was superior in terms of development activity at the beginning of June. A year ago, Dan Gambardello backed Cardano ADA in most of his tweets, emphasizing its explosion. 1 year ago, Cardano was 0.10. Many of you were probably calling Cardano a stablecoin. It is now $2.12, up around 1,800%. Though many are now calling Cardano a stablecoin, ADA is now only 375% up from $10. While he couldn't say for sure if it would happen, he said it's possible to eventually hit $10. On the other hand, the on-chain social and fundamental insight site Sentiment tweeted that there were many long positions on ADA in Binance Exchange. It also added that the movement was larger than usual. It was around this period that the Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson addressed the crypto community to provide updates on the Cardano project. According to him, most people were bothered about scalability. He said the PAB launch would address those issues. Hoskinson also expressed his joy at the active ecosystem. He was delighted that the demand for Cardano has started to improve, thus appreciating the community for its persistent support. The year is almost over and ADA coin price is nowhere close to Gambardello's projected value of $10. However, it's shocking to realize that the crypto analyst's stance and the message about Cardano have not changed. There's definitely a reason for his persistence, but what could it be? Why is he so sure about Cardano's long-term potential? On August 17th, Gambardello explained why he spends so much time talking about Cardano ADA. He told his 233,000 Twitter followers, "Cardano is my favorite crypto. That's why I cover it so much. If that ever changes, I'll let you know. But this is my crypto journey, and I'm not documenting it. Don't take my opinions or portfolio so personally." He conducted a Twitter poll to discover if the Cardano community cares more about Cardano's fundamentals or the ADA coin price, and the results were not too shocking, given that Cardano has the most passionate community on Twitter. "Cardano poll, you'll find yourself mainly watching and caring more about," he tweeted. A crypto analytics firm, Sentiment, took a close look at the on-chain metric for Cardano ADA, which is known as the ratio of daily on-chain transaction volume and profit to loss. Those metrics show the aggregate amount of coins or tokens across all transactions on the network that moved in profit or loss for a given asset in an interval. This is also a metric which shows the ratio between the transaction volume and profit and the transaction volume and loss, Sentiment explained. As explained in May, when Sentiment introduced the metric, ratio of daily on-chain transaction volume and profit to loss, assets that are seeing a high ratio of transactions occurring while traders are in the loss positions. Recently, he tweeted that the ratio of on transactions at a loss is at its highest level of profit taking since the final week of March, which implied that traders need to be careful. Cardano is set out to be a social and financial operating system for the world, so its potential mustn't be underestimated. Don't FOMO into it, but first understand the gains you desire to get from your investments before making the big decision. A popular crypto analyst with a track record of predicting market retrenchments has issued warnings about two of the top crypto assets. The trader, identified as Capo, first alerted his 485,300 Twitter followers that the scalable blockchain platform Cardano ADA could be in for a major price drop over the next few weeks. In a price chart mapping out the ADA coin price fluctuations dating back to May, Capo focused on an ascending wedge pattern that started with a rally in late July. The altcoin nearly captured the 60-cent level on August 16th before the market woes caused the token to lose nearly 25% last week. Mapping out a series of peaks and valleys, he believes they will ultimately see Cardano dipping to the 28-cent and 30-cent range. He concluded by sharing his thoughts about the overall crypto markets. "Market is bearish. Every bounce is a good selling opportunity. Being out of the market until new lows are smart," he said. However, big things are coming in for Cardano, which will send shockwaves to the entire crypto industry. Cardano is setting the track to give investors huge returns on their investment come 2025. Recently, the commission-free investing app, Robinhood, listed Cardano along a few other cryptocurrencies after huge demand. Cardano ADA holders can now buy and sell their Cardano holdings without any additional commission or fees. The listing was confirmed through Twitter by Robinhood as the platform received a massive demand to list Cardano ADA. Users can buy and sell ADA, but the transfer facility is not yet available on Robinhood. The latest tweet from Robinhood Help reads, Robinhood crypto transfers are not currently available to NV, HI, and for some crypto asset New York residents. We do not have a timeline on when this will be available, but we'll keep you posted. However, the announcement fueled a bullish sentiment among ADA holders. Two key exchanges added support for Cardano ahead of a milestone event in the Ethereum killer altcoin. The Zero Commission Exchange listed Cardano for its 23 million users. Binance US, one of the largest crypto exchanges in US by volume, added support for Cardano staking. Looking to move your ADA to Binance US? Cardano is now available for staking. Earn up to 6.1% APY at launch, start staking in minutes. Get paid weekly and unstake at any time. Two leading crypto exchange platforms embrace Cardano ahead of its Vasil hard fork schedule to occur this month. It's a good indication, right? The Vasil hard fork is a long-awaited event that is set to usher in numerous enhancements to Cardano. The hard fork will add throughput and scalability to Cardano's blockchain. Smart contracts on Cardano's network will benefit from new Plutus capabilities. The development team of Cardano is committed to ensuring that dApps, developers, and exchanges have ample time to update their node versions. Testing and integration work will be completed before the Vasil hard fork. 70% of the top dApps that IOG has been tracking have confirmed successful pre-production testing. Exchanges are getting ready for the Vasil hard fork, and the integration team is in touch with projects to support them in the process. With the Robinhood and Binance US announcement, the bullish sentiment among ADA holders has increased. The upcoming Vasil hard fork has garnered support from leading cryptocurrency exchanges, dApps, and smart contracts. The crypto community is awaiting Ethereum's merge and Cardano's Vasil hard fork with top-notch preparation and bated breath. Furthermore, Input Output Global is releasing new test versions of Daedalus as part of the final mile towards the Vasil upgrade. Preview 5.0.0 and Pre-Prod 5.0.0 are test-only versions of the Daedalus wallet for developers and SPOs working in the preview and pre-production testing environments. With this release, Cardano developers are inching closer to the Vasil hard fork. Crypto analysts evaluated the Cardano price chart in light of recent bullish developments. As exchanges come out to support Cardano's Vasil hard fork and list ADA, the altcoin is reaching a wider audience. As a result of widespread adoption and utility, there is a likelihood of a Cardano price rally. Analysts have nursed a bullish outlook on Cardano in recent weeks, and the Ethereum killer's price looks ready to eye a bullish target. As impressive as its pedigree and ambitions are, Cardano's ADA has the same defect as other cryptocurrencies. It has little to show by implementation. The blockchain was released only in September 2017, and the limited number of nodes within its network are all controlled by the foundation. The cryptocurrency has also faced fierce competition from other cryptocurrencies in a crowded ecosystem. Ripple might provide strong competition to Cardano's plans of becoming a bridge between the existing financial system and cryptocurrencies. It would seem that Cardano's current valuation price is not justified, but it might be unwise to dismiss Cardano's valuation as a bubble. Present cryptocurrency prices are dependent on future markets, and this applies to Cardano as well. So the question is, will Cardano fail Gambardello's bullish claims? Only time will tell. But what are your thoughts on this? Let us have them in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.